What's up? Today we are going to be shooting in the snow and we are having a blizzard. Well, at least in Texas. I don't know when the last time we've got snow like this was. So let's start shooting. Okay, it is like freezing, but this wrap for the Bowmar archery wrap for the grip wrap, it helps a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah, I kind of wish I had it, or I was shooting one of the carbon bows. Have you ever shot the snow before?
Me?
Yeah.
No, we don't get this that much, like at all. Have you?
No. Oh, I'll be back. I forgot my release.
My hands are cold. I'm gonna let him shoot, and then I'm gonna hold my little hand warm thing. It's really warm, which is great. Okay. Oh, my turn to shoot.
Here you go, little one. Oh, not even ready.
No, I was holding my hand warm thing. You can't go at the same time as me.
Why not?
Rules are rules.
You don't make the rules.
Yes, I do. Oh. Low. Little. Do you want to like 3, 2, 1?
Nah.
That'll look cool though.
Fine. 3, 2, 1.
No, not yet. We've never 3, 2, 1 before.
All right, I'm ready.
No, not like that. Like when you're ready to shoot, like locked in. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I jumped the gun.
Oh, look at mine. Mine are so close, guys. Hogs. Well, mine are still really close.
I've got a group size of large freaking watermelon at the moment.
My group's better than yours.
Yeah, whatever. All right. Let's see. You want me to
Maybe shooting in the snow's my strong suit.
You want me to break an arrow?
Yeah. Y'all think you can do it?
No, I can't. Applesauce.
What? Put it on 16?
Yeah. We definitely need to get a better shot tape for you.
Mm-hmm. One actually accurate?
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like guessing.
Look at this. There's like snow on my arrow. That's so cool. There's people driving by with their side-by-sides. We might have to go do that later, won't we?
Woo. Yeah. Kitty cats.
What?
Kangaroo. Possum.
You messed me up.